The semi-final game, mga kaibigan. Ebo si Saya or Isaiah de los Reyes. Dogs laban sa kawalan. In favor pa rin po itong team ng Jack School. Basketball count, Howard Jonas. Spectators natin. I-score po natin all at 2 points. This is the first lap. Yung naka-flash po dyan yung mga cellphone. Baka pwede. Howard for 2 points. Itong Jonah mga kaibigan, number 12 ng Team Axos. Disinwebe anyos pa lang itong import. And on the video, bam, 3 points! Ang Palaweno, hindi municipal pinasisip abig. Shot clock, 37. On the video, tuloy tira. On the video, for 3 points! 24, nasa 4 na puntos ng Kalanangan. On the video, watatas, galing na naman! Basketball count! At may kasama ng foul! Napaka-pantastiko yung pasa ng Ondivilla. What a good cut from the top of the rainbow. Cuts and shoots from the top for making 3 points. 33 against 31. Up by only 2 points. Dalawang puntos na lang Ondivilla. What a beautiful speed. Ondivilla number 24 at the line of first free throw. Good for 1. Last in the final free throw by Ondivilla, wearing jersey number 24, Saddam. Ondivilla, good for 2 points. Mayroon na lamang tayo 3 minutes and 35 seconds to go. Magbanwa, dumilit to Ondivilla. And like, Ondivilla, Saddam! And the 2 points pocket by Saddam. Up back down to 7. Saddam TV. Even Dapper. What a combination scoop! Napakatalino ng paso ng Ondivilla at napakasuabing pagtatapos ng 2 puntos. Kaya mga kaibigan, ito ang Miller. Si Edward Miller connecting 2 points. 2 minutes for the second quarter. Good for 2 points. Ondivilla 41. Jay Magalona, good for 2 points. Ondivilla may tangan na buko. Easy dribbling ka. Ikinaharas itong Frankie La Cruz. Bakbakan sa bandang gilid ng Ondivilla. Patient for team ng mga taga Jack School. At first free throw by Ondivilla. Sablay si Saddam. Last in the final free throw by Saddam. Ondivilla wearing jersey number 24. Good for 1. Ito ang Jack Policapio. Ondivilla. Basic sagin. Jumper by Ondivilla. Masyadong malayo but there's a foul. First free throw by Ondivilla, good for 1. Last in the final free throw by Ondivilla, wearing jersey number 24. Last in the final free throw, yung pinaka-surprise natin kung sino yung papasok talaga, maligal. No basketball not count. Number 17, called for a pushing foul against Pepe, John Paul Pepe Madeja. Madeja John Paul, 3 personal fouls and 2 team fouls. Sa team po ng mga taga-Jack School, laban sa Axel, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Ondivilla jump up for 3-pointer. Ondivilla, bam, 3 points. 7 minutes in 1. Ondivilla once again, cross-court pass, Eric Magbanwa, Banana, 3 points. Abangga dito sa ating pong nasabing si Lupa Norris. 17 seconds on the shot clock for 3 points. Miller, mabitawan ng bola. Kuha ng Bibo Talipin. And this time, more to line. Go into the basketball count. Go.